Previously on Dana Crafted, I sorted and counted all my yarn, and in today's video, we're organizing my crochet corner by rainbow color. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more handmade crochet content. Hello friends, I'm Dana and I make crochet, and today I'm organizing my little craft corner. If you saw my last video, you know I have a ton of inventory. I actually counted my inventory and it was about double of what I expected. So I've counted it, I've already organized it into rainbow color, and now it's time to put it into these cubes. I think generally what I'm thinking is like the brightest colors will go up here. So it'll go red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, and then neutrals down on that side. Hopefully we have enough. And then from the bottom up, we'll start with the really dark wintry hues. We're gonna kind of go seasonal. So I'll do like winter colors down here, fall colors, springs, and then summers. So yes, bright colors on top, and then it'll go light shades down to dark shades. At least that's how it's happening in my mind. We'll see. First I need to vacuum and make this all clean because I'm gonna be laying stuff out on the floor. I'm gonna bring down the reds first and line them up so then I can just bloop, 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 put them in. And yeah, wish me luck and stuff. All right, so first things first, I'm going to set up another row up top. Actually, I'm not sure if we'll need the top row. Potentially, we'll see. All right, I'm gonna put down a towel. Want to keep my yarn as clean as possible. Okay, I'm starting with reds and cherries and maroons. I'm gonna sort them down here first. I think that'll be easier, right? But wait, there's more. We've got these maroons. I know I want the brightest colors at the top. That goes there, this goes there, this goes there. Next, I'm gonna go with the most wintry colors, so the darkest will go at the bottom. I'm gonna leave the very bottom cubes open. One, because that's gonna be the dustiest area. There might be bugs down there, and I don't want dust and bugs to get to my yarn. So instead, I'm gonna put baskets down there with my working projects, just like so. And that way, when I wanna work on my shawl, I just come grab my shawl basket, and then it doesn't end up scattered all around my house. Plot twist. It's 8 days later and it's definitely scattered all around my house, but we'll talk about that in future videos. Okay, bye. So darkest are gonna go right here. And then the rest of these I'm just gonna kind of put in piles by color. Yeah, I think that's gonna work. Oh yeah, Margie, that's nice. That's real nice. I think I might actually use the top shelf for extra bulky bundles. We'll see. Okay, I turned the light on because I'm not sure if these are more brown or more maroon. I think these will go into the browns. Decisions. I'm gonna get rid of this yarn. It just looks and feels old and crusty, probably because it is. But anything that has any hint of a smell or just isn't going to make a pretty piece of work, I'm gonna get rid of. Okay, so that took way longer than I expected. Now these are all kind of part of the brown rainbow, so I'm gonna figure that out at the end. Instead of adding the shelving up vertically, I might add another row on the end. I just don't have enough of the shelving units. In the meantime, let's move on to the oranges. Oh my lord, I think the orange might take up 2. I forgot what a basic pumpkin spice bitch I was. We've got the persimmons. We've got the pumpkins. We've got the fall leaves. We've got the squash, all the fall colors, but we shall start with the brightest. Now, I'm not so sure if I want bright orange to be at the top or if it makes more sense to have the corals and peaches. I kind of like that. That's not bad. Guess there's only one way, we shall find out. Bright orange, get your bright orange. Trying to organize these too. If I have doubles of anything, I shove it toward the back so I can see at least one of each type of skein of yarn that I have. So I can already see 4 of these. So I can push 2 to the back and that leaves more room for the front stuff. Yay! I love having room for the front stuff. Go back there, little buddy. row 2 is done. This is taking way longer than I expected, but future Dana will thank me once it's over. How pleasing is this though? I love it. So inspired. Okay, on to the yellow. Yellow, yellow. Okay, I learned my lesson from the last time. I'm going to separate them by their shade of yellow first, and then I'll be able to see bloop, 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 what goes where. Yes, quite. Those go together. I'm gonna leave this open because I know I'm gonna put the brightest yellow there, but I'm gonna fill these up like soft yellow, lemony yellow, mustardy yellows, more basic pumpkin yellow. This is called corn maze, or no. Maze. It's just called maze. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Okay, is that done? It's done enough. On to the green. I'm gonna take a water break. Don't choke on your electrolytes. Okay, we're hydrated. We have every color of the green rainbow. Very exciting day for America. Second voice, the same as the foist. Well, silver lining, this is a pretty good workout. 556 squats, 557 squats. Put your butt into it, Carol. Okay, squeeze your buttocks, Susan. I used to have this Pilates VHS tape, and she would say, tweeze your buttocks. And I've never forgotten that to this very day. Burned into the membranes. Tweeze your buttocks. Enough with the theatrics, let's get this over with. Is it good or is it good enough? Okay, it's right about this point that I want to stop. I want to procrastinate and crochet my day away. Everything in me wants to stop right now, but instead I'm going to hydrate, and we are going to turquoise, blue, indigo, violet, and pink. No, but seriously, how beautiful is this? I'm feeling so inspired. Do I want to make a shawl out of you? Yes. Do I want to make a poncho out of you, you, and you? Yes. Do I want to make a Speedo for Kevin with you? Yes, I do. Kevin, can you please make me a charcuterie platter? I'm running low on blood sugar. What we're doing? Oh yeah, we were bluing. All right, so blues are tricky because we have like turquoise blue that go with the green, and then we have more violet blues. And I have 1, 2, 3 bins of blues. Come on, little buddies. You can do it. Okay. All right. Okay. We're awake. This is good. We're having fun, right? So we have like the violet blues, and then we have the turquoise blues. So anything that has a greenish tint to it goes from here, darkest to lightest. Anything that has a bluish tint goes from here, darkest to lightest. I don't want to do it. I feel like I'm out to brunch with an old friend right now. It's like, oh my gosh, I remember you. All the memories we made traveling together. Oh my God, so nice to see you again. Okay, so far this is looking so pretty. It's just like fall and winter colors down here, and then spring and summer colors up here, and it is giving me life. And then we're only gonna have room for purple and pink. How satisfying is this though? Let's just take a look, admire. Why does my OCD want to go out and buy yarn to fill the little gaps right there and right there? I'm not gonna do it. I'll probably sell some crochet orders and then go do that, if we're being completely honest. I also have little bitty yarn that I was gonna keep in this box. It's like my tufting yarn. I'm not mad at that. These guys can join the party. Love that for us. Anyway, whatever. Let's keep going. From here to here, probably my favorite colors. It's like jean color all the way up to periwinkle. I love it so much. Oh my goodness gracious, this feels amazing. Whew. Are we okay? We're okay. We're wonderful. We're great. Okay, all I have left is the pink. I cannot wait to crochet all day, every day. I'm gonna do a bunch of everything I crocheted in a day videos. I'm so inspired right now, so those will be coming up soon. But just wanted to show you what I've been working on. There's not enough room for this, but since it's a working project, it's a blanket. It will go in a little bin right down there. For now, I'm gonna get it out of the way. Where were we? Pink. I think I'll be able to fit all the pink into one, hopefully. We shall see, we shall see. Ready, set, go. Okay, okay, okay. Some of the pinks are so reddish hue. We're gonna put them over here. Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, we're gonna start with dark mauve. Whatever. I can always readjust it later, right? So we've got some like corally pink. We have some baby pink. We have some mauve-y pink. And then we have like hot pink. There's a lot going on. We'll start with the dark pink. These are mauve, these are hot. These are peachy, and then these are baby. I think that'll work. One more coral, buddy. Okay, okay. We did it, guys. We bloody did it. I thought this day would never come. There are 3 more bags left. Browns, blacks, whites and grays. I am going to put together a few more of these. I think that should work. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. I think I will, however, do that off camera just for my own sanity. This feels wonderful. Partway through, I was like, is it a mistake to organize it by color? But I do know all of my skeins. This is Lily, Sugar, and Cream. This is Heartland. This is Wool Ease. This is Pound of Love. Now I'm just showing off, but I just know where everything's at. There are a few things I don't remember having, which is so fun. I don't remember this color. I know I made some bralettes in this color and they're super cute. Speaking of, I have a ton of cute ones. I have a ton of gorgeous shawls. This is kind of a little tiny nook, so I'm gonna put in a clothing rack and hang up all my beautiful pieces to not only have them on display, but also have them easy to grab when I get an order. Just a place to organize them so they're not sitting in a deep, dark closet somewhere. I did end up getting that clothing rack. I also made about 10 new shawls in all these beautiful new colors. I'm calling this the Lahaina series, and the shawls are 20% off if you use code THANKYOU. I also have a video tutorial and pattern if you're interested in making your own. That's 20% off as well. Just click on the link below, use code THANKYOU at checkout, and enjoy. If you make a shawl, please send me a photo. I would love to see it. I have so many cute shawls. I wish this was my color. I'm a summer, I believe. I think I'm a true summer. This is more of like a winter person vibe. I still need to weave in the ends, and I love wearing these like this. So the fringe is in the front, party in the front, business in the back, and then you like drape it over your shoulder a little bit, and it's so cute. I love it. I've also worn these over a dress. Also cute when you're at the beach, when you want a little cover up, a little something, something. Cold spring night, give yourself a little crochet hug. How satisfying is this? Yes, 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 yes. I am so in love. It is so satisfying to have everything organized. But this color is not my color. It is so beautiful. I love it. But it needs to find a home. It makes me think of like rodeo, like Montana summer nights. Super cute. But anyway, this has been fully satisfying. Okay, so this was filmed about a month ago, and I have made so many projects since. I'm really excited to share them with you. I've developed 20 new patterns and looking forward to posting more crochet videos. I'll see you guys here every Wednesday and more often if I can swing it. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. We did it, guys. We bloody did it.